Can you give hint? I'm not really sure.
Okay, sure. So, let me copy the figure that I drew. Okay, let me paste it here. The figure is this. Okay. Now, we want to prove that H lies on what?
H lies on KL.
Exactly. So, what have you done for this problem?
Oh, I tried going the other way around. So the line that. Oh wait, no, sorry.
Do you agree? For example, we should, if we draw this height, we should prove this point is what?
Oh, that's H.
Yes. So let's call this one H prime, and we want to prove it is H, right?
Right.
Okay. Altitudes are what? Perpendicular to the sides, right? So we have also diameter, right? Of this circle. So because AD is diameter, which angles are 90 degree?
ABD and ACD.
Exactly. This one, this angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. Want more, and then you should try to find or create some cyclic quadrilaterals to prove it. Want more hint, or that's enough?
So we're trying to prove that H prime is orthocenter by showing BH prime is perpendicular to AC?
No, BH prime we know is perpendicular to AC. For example, you should prove what is perpendicular to what?
AH prime is perpendicular
yes,
to AC.
AH prime or CH prime, exactly. You should prove this. And you can prove it by finding cyclic quadrilaterals. Want more hint, or that's enough?
That's enough. I'll keep trying.
Okay, sure.
Could you give hint?
Okay, sure. So let's could you find any cyclic quadrilateral in this figure? Let me ask you this. Can you tell me this angle is what in terms of ABC?
A.
Good job. This angle is what?
It's the same as A. Okay.
Yes, because it is tangent, right?
Right.
So now, can you tell me what quadrilateral is cyclic?
BKH prime D.
Exactly. You can use this to prove H prime is H. Want more hint, or that's enough?
I think that's enough. I'll keep trying.
Okay, sure.
Wait, can you give more hint? So DH prime KB is cyclic and then DH prime LC is cyclic, but then how can you connect that to AH prime where AH prime meets BC?
But in her heart, she considered how to resolve this. I must think of what to do with it. Returning, Rule 7 started chattering with you and Coop again. The mission this time is too difficult. Not only preventing the male lead from turning evil, not letting him become a tyrant in his life, destroying the country, massacring the city, but also nurturing his benevolence and compassion, loving the people, treating enemy prisoners kindly. I think the best way is to warm him up, seduce him, and marry him. Yuan Coop was extremely flustered and afraid, lying in bed, unable to help feeling rejected. After taking revenge and destroying the country, the male lead, on his way would kill any god he met, any Buddha he met. After destroying York Dynasty, the countries of Liang and Chen to the east and west were
Okay, sorry. Can you say it again?
Oh wait, can you give more hint?
Okay, sure. So here we said this quadrilateral is cyclic, right? Then do you agree if we connect D to H prime? Which angle is 90?
DH prime K and DH prime L.
It is 90 and this one 90. Now, because it is 90, we can find another cyclic quadrilateral.
CLH prime D.
Yes, because here we can solve it with two ways. Let me copy and... Okay, we can conclude that from here, solution 1. We said what is cyclic?
CLH prime D.
CLH prime D is cyclic. Then because it is cyclic, want more hint or that's enough?
Could you give more hint?
Okay, sure. If we connect C to H prime, this angle would be what?
That would be HKLDA.
KLD. Exactly, A. It is equal to this one because it's cyclic A, right? So this angle would be what?
C minus A.
No.
Oh, 90 minus A.
So then this angle is what?
Oh, 90. Okay.
We proved, right? It was first approach. Let me tell you second approach. Second solution that's maybe a bit easier. So do you agree DKL is an isosceles triangle?
Yeah.
And DH prime is altitude. So H prime is what of KL?
Midpoint.
Midpoint of KL. So do you agree if we draw altitude, for example, altitude through C, then again it passes through midpoint of KL similarly?
Okay, yeah. Oh,
So when we draw
okay.
altitude of B, then it passes through midpoint of KL. Similarly, we can say that if you draw this altitude, it passes through midpoint, so midpoint of KL is H, right?
Okay. That's just because it's symmetrical for B and C.
Exactly, because midpoint of KL is not related to B. Exactly, if you draw C, altitude of C, you can use exactly the same thing. Similarly, right?
Right.
And H prime is midpoint of KL is not related to B or C, right? For example, sometimes you find this one, for example, is B over 2. So, when you draw this, you can conclude this one is C over 2, right?
Right.
You can switch B and C. But because H prime is midpoint, is not related to B or C. So, if you draw altitude of this, again, it passes through midpoint of KL, right?
Right. Okay.